Top 5 Best Free Video Editing Software, No Watermarks. Video editing is one of the most important skills for digital marketers and content creators in 2021. While many of the top YouTubers, content creators, and digital marketers hire full-time video editors who work with software like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and After Effects, most of the beginners and even mid-tier content creators and digital marketers need to do video editing on their own. Learning a software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro can be quite time-consuming, and also these software are not available for free. On the other hand, we have software like Filmora that allows users to edit videos but with their watermark on the final edited versions. You cannot get rid of the watermark unless you buy the software. So, what do? Thankfully, there are several good video editing software that are available for free and that allow you to edit videos without having their watermark on top of the final renders. So in today's video, I'll be telling you guys about the top 5 best free video editing software that are easy to use and without watermarks. So without further ado, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express is a great video editing software that is compatible with Mac as well as Windows. It has a high-energy style that appeals to budding filmmakers who want to put a special touch on a personal event or get creative with a video blog. The latest version of HitFilm Express features an auto-stabilizer that makes bumpy footage much smoother. It also features motion tracking and color picker that can selectively adjust colors. Having a customizable interface, drag-and-drop special effects that are easy to apply, cross-platform support, and a pretty good library of free instruction videos, HitFilm is one of the best and most easy-to-use free video editing software. Number 4. Lightworks. Having a simple and intuitive interface, Lightworks is very easy to work with. It features high-quality, simple trim functions for fast and precise video editing. It also features speed optimization, multicam editing, and real-time project sharing. Lightworks also has a suite of original stock videos and music clips licensed for use in any videos that you edit using this software. Lightworks is compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux. Number 3. Capwing. Capwing is a free online video editing software that features all the basic video editing tools such as video resizer, video trimmer, subtitles, and audio editing. It also has a complete studio, which is a bit more complicated and powerful than the other tools. Capwing also allows you to choose the aspect ratio of the output video. The great thing about Capwing is that you don't have to install it, and it does not have any technical tutorials. You can pretty much go to the site and get started instantly. It works on every operating system. You can use it from your phone as well. Number 2. Shotcut. Shotcut is a free, open-source video editor that works with a variety of video resolutions. It has a huge collection of tutorial videos. Although Shotcut was initially designed for Linux, it now has compatibility for Windows and Mac as well. Shotcut provides many audio editing options such as bass and treble adjustments, adjust gain, and create bandpass filter. Another great thing about Shotcut is that it supports a wide range of formats, including FFmpeg, ProRes, 4K, and DNx HD. It also has a large selection of audio and video filters. Number 1. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is another excellent video editing software that is available for free with no limits or watermarks. It is not only great for beginners, but it is also a really solid software for those who require more advanced video editing. DaVinci Resolve incorporates Fusion that features 4 high-end video production models for editing, color correction, audio production, and video effects and motion graphics. Being more powerful and more advanced software, DaVinci Resolve has a learning curve to it. This software is also compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux. Which is your favorite video editing software that you mostly rely on for your video editing needs? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Also, do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to watch such highly informative videos on the topics related to software of all kinds. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.